Hey friends, welcome back. In this quick 2-minute session, we will understand how exactly AI agent makes decisions. What's inside the mind of an AI agent? All in 2 minutes, and let's get into it straight away. The first approach is called rule-based reasoning. This is the most basic and classic way for an AI agent to make decisions. Think of it like a flowchart. If this happens, then do that. That's all. No learning, no adaptation, just execute pre-written rules. It's like chatbot that responds with canned replies. Works great when things are predictable. The biggest advantage is it's very fast, simple, reliable when the scenario is well understood. But disadvantage breaks down completely if the user input is unexpected or more complex. I'll give an instance here. If the user says hi, respond with hello, how can I help you? Imagine you say good evening, I need help. The bot might not respond correctly if it doesn't have that clue. That's it. Let's go to the second one, which is called as goal-based reasoning. This is a step up in complexity. Instead of rules, the agent is given a goal and it figures out how to achieve it. It has a planning capability, identifies the actions needed and their sequence. The agent evaluates which path best leads to the goal. Advantage, very flexible and good for dynamic situations. Disadvantage, needs solid planning logic and can struggle if new variables are introduced mid-task. Let me give an example. A delivery agent must deliver a package. It will first check the address, plan the shortest route and avoid traffic, then deliver the package. Each step is chosen because it serves the end goal. Next comes utility-based reasoning. This agent goes beyond reaching the goal. That is, it tries to maximize satisfaction. It assigns a utility score to possible actions and picks one with the highest score. It's very useful when there are multiple ways to solve a problem and some are better than others. The biggest advantages, it optimizes performance and great for user satisfaction. Disadvantage, it needs a good utility function. How do you score satisfaction is the question that you will have to ask here. An example is always handy, and here I go. A food ordering bot selects best restaurant not just based on distance but also based on the rating, delivery time and cost. Finally, the learning based reasoning, which is called reinforcement learning. Now move on into the domain of machine learning right here. This agent learns by experience. No pre-coded rules. It tries different actions, observes outcomes and improves over time using rewards. Biggest advantages, it becomes smarter with time, can handle complex, unpredictable environments as well. Disadvantages, needs a lot of training, time and data. Doesn't work well out of the box as well. Simple example, a robot in a maze. Tries a path, hits the wall, gets negative feedback. Finds the correct path, gets positive reward and moves on. Over time, it learns the optimal path through trial and error. All the 4 strategies I have got placed depending on the task complexity, data availability and environment dynamics. Simple tasks, close your eyes, pick rule-based systems. Defined outcomes, goal-based. Multiple paths, utility-based. Dynamic learning needs reinforcement. So, where do you think a self-driving car fits in? Let me know in the chat. If you like the content on the channel, kindly subscribe. Thank you.